Earn extra income online with this brand new strategy that I have for you today. You can work from the comfort of your home and earn free PayPal money again and again. All you need is a laptop or a smartphone device and an internet connection. It works worldwide and for absolutely free, so anyone can join. In order to make it work, make sure to follow me step by step till the end of this tutorial. Just before we start, let me remind you that if you haven't already, to subscribe to our channel Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on, so you won't miss any future video to come, since you'll get updated whenever I upload a brand new video just like this one on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use it and that way make the most money. If you love this type of content, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you want to ask me anything. With that said, guys, let's start with this tutorial so I can show you everything. I have multiple platforms to show you, so just stay tuned until the end because you can get easily lost and confused. So let's proceed with the first step, which is to come over to the first platform, and that platform is called UserTesting. This is over at UserTesting.com. As you can see, experience what your customers experience within a few hours, get the human inside you need to deliver exceptional products, services or brands. So people that want a website here or an app come in to get those websites and app tested. So there are other people who conduct this testing. They see if there is something wrong, if there is a bug and so on, and they report all of the mistakes and so on. So what you need to do over here is to come in order to be a tester, so you can test those websites and apps and getting paid for doing so. In order to get access to that, you need to come over to usertesting.com, and in the upper right corner you're going to see this get paid to test section that you need to click on it. In the next page you're going to see that you're going to get paid to share your perspective with global brands. You can earn little extra money in your spare time by helping brands build better products and experiences for people all around the world. So in order to get started, you can just leave an email address here and agree to the terms of use and privacy policy. So let's see more about how it works and also how much money you can get and even how you're going to get paid. So you're going to submit your email address in order to apply, just like I told you 1 minute ago. Then you're going to just browse all of the tests that are available. Then you're going to share your perspectives via tests you match with, and you're going to help best-in-class brands to improve their products and services. After that, you're going to get paid, of course. You can earn $4 for every 5-minute test, $10 for every 20-minute test. So you can even get paid $30 per 1 hour, which is pretty awesome actually. And also between $30 to $120 for live interviews. So if you scroll down, you're going to see that there are more than 1.4 million of tests taken in 2020. Also, you're going to see some testimonials from people that have used this platform, and they are testers and making money over here. If you scroll down, you're going to also notice the requirements. So you need a computer or mobile device, you need an internet connection, a microphone. Also, you need to be at least 20 years old and the ability to speak your thoughts in English. In order to get access to their application process, you need to put your email address, and they pay you through PayPal. As you can see, you need to have a PayPal account in order to get paid. So this is pretty much all about user testing. I focused on the part that you need to get paid by just testing. Of course, you're going to do like an application, a practice test, as it says right here, and then they are going to see more about your abilities, and also they are going to give you some feedback and how to improve. So this was the first platform for today. Let's proceed to the second one, because as I said before, I was going to give you multiple ones. This is called UserBrain, and it's over at userbrain.com. This is your go-to user testing tool. It works pretty much in the same thing. People come here in order to get some services from other people, so they are going to set up tasks, select testers and so on. So what you need to do, of course, is to click on the get paid to test section over here, because you are over here in order to get paid, and this is our strategy for today. In the next page, you're going to see that you can make money testing websites from home. you're going to sign up and you can download their user brain recorder for Google Chrome, as you can see, or for iOS. In order to start testing websites, you're going to speak your thoughts while you're going through a set of tasks for about 5 to 20 minutes, and you can get paid $5 per each test through PayPal. So even this platform pays you through PayPal. So you're going to first of all record the qualification test, and they're going to give you a guide so you know exactly how everything works. Then they're going to review your video, give you feedback, so what you can improve in the future. If you are approved, you're going to start receiving paid tests. You also have here like an example video that you can watch, so you're going to see how you can conduct a test. If you want to learn more, you can also click here on visit their knowledge base. So in order to get started with UserBrain, all you need to do is to put your email address over here, choose a password, and then you need to agree to the terms and conditions and privacy policy, confirm that you're not a robot, and apply to be a UserBrain tester. As you can see, this one pays you a little less than the previous one, but in order to maximize your results, you can use all of the platforms that I'm giving you today. Let's proceed also through the third and also the final platform for today, which is called Userlytics. This is over at userlytics.com. You're going to go through all of the features of it if you want to, but our main focus is to become a tester. So what you need to do is to come over first of all to their official website and scroll all the way down till the bottom of the page. Underneath the Userlytics section, you have this be paid to participate. Just click on it, and in the next page you're going to see that you can get paid to test websites and apps. You can register and earn money for absolutely free. You're going to interact with a web or mobile app, as you can see, and user testing is fun. You're going to get paid via PayPal even with this website, so you can just open a PayPal account and you can use all of these platforms and collect your money there. Then you can get paid from $5 to $10, $15, $20, or even up to $90 for having fun expressing opinions while you are browsing the web. In order to get started, just put an email address here, confirm that you are 16 years of age or older, agree to the terms of use and privacy policy, and then they are going to communicate with you further. You're going to see even more how it works over here. Also, I want to mention that this is available worldwide, so their testers are from Europe, North America, South Africa, even from Asia, and as you can see, all around the world. If you scroll down, you're going to see all of the requirements. For desktop tests, you need like a desktop computer, also the last version of Google Chrome, microphone, and sometimes a webcam. For mobile tests, you need like an Android or an iPhone. You're going to see all of the specifics over here. You can even download it on your App Store or Google Play Store on your device, as you can see. In order to make the most money, you can use all of these platforms and maximize your results. With that said, guys, this is it for today's video. I hope that you liked it. If you did, give a thumbs up, a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel, Aiden and Mia's World. Thank you for watching.